Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is the power of your focus. Wherever you focus on, the energy flows. Everything is energy and vibration. So as soon as you focus on something, be it good or bad, your attention goes there and energy exchange begins. So it is very essential that you choose every moment on where your awareness is going. Now, this all depends on you. It is your own choice whether you choose to focus on what is good in your life or what is not going on well in your life. Even for manifestations, they say you must have clarity about what you desire. Once you have clarity, what happens is you go in for inspired action. Now you are putting a lot of love in your work. You are enjoying it. Is there any feeling of tiredness? No, because it is not work at all. The work in itself is like reward for you. You are actually producing more energy. You are self motivated and you are so creative with that energy and you enjoy every moment of whatever you are doing. That is how you work. That is how you go in for inspired action when once you know what is your purpose in life. When the work you are doing is something you actually love to do, you have more aptitude in that work, it comes easy to you, that must be your purpose in life. And you go in for inspired action. Now, what is the next logical thing that will happen in your life? You are going to manifest your desires because the vibration you are putting into your work is so positive, full of enthusiasm, love, happiness, joy. All that creates your manifestations. So that is how you manifest your desires. It is so easy. But when you are aligned with your authentic self, so you go in for inspired action. You are focusing on something you love to do and everybody appreciates it. Why? Because they can sense that vibration. How nicely you have completed your work and you feel good too. So that is how you manifest your desires. Even in life, you must have seen everything going on well. But that one thing which is not going on well, your attention will go there. Everybody appreciating you. But that one negative comment somebody said about you or your family, that will take all your attention. How could this person say this? Why should they bother so much? But you have the power to choose. Now you should decide that you will choose to focus on whatever is positive. It is so easy. Somebody comes to argue with you and you want to win every little battle throughout the day. But if you choose, if you are aware enough to remove your focus from this person who actually has come to trigger your negative emotions, you choose to ignore. But this person is standing there only. You can go to the bathroom. Hello, who's calling? Just a moment, I'm coming. That is how you just ignore. What is happening is you are removing your focus from something that can trigger negativity. You're not getting into argument. Right before, you could have got into an argument. And you think you become Alexander the Great by winning those battles. What is the use of winning such arguments? Nobody wins an argument anyways. So keep your whatever you feel, whatever you think about a subject to yourself. And so you avoid these little petty disputes and arguments and you save so much of energy. What is happening? You had a choice whether to focus on that negative thing, that negative energy, but you chose not to focus. And so you were saved. Your energy was saved. This energy you can utilize for more creative work. A person was asked, how did you live so long? This person was around 110 years of age. And he said, because I never argued. Oh, that is not possible. Because he never argued. So he did not answer that. So that is how you have to choose to save your precious energy. This is life energy which should be utilized where you actually want to utilize this important energy. Colonel Sanders used to sleep in his car. He did not have much of, money with him. And so one day he thought of changing his life. Why should I live my life this way? And he said, what do I have in me? He had one interesting, really good recipe. And then he shared it with the whole world. And he became abundant and rich using that one single recipe. So you see, are you focusing on your qualities every day? Your self-affirmations are positive? Or are you focusing on all those aspects in your personality and in your life which are not good? Your subconscious mind doesn't know what is happening outside. It will only record and perceive whatever you focus on and inform to every cell of your body and to your subconscious mind. You say things are not good in your life and it records that. And then more of those things start coming to you. You talk of sickness, you talk of look at what is happening in the world. And so you are getting more of that news, more of people who are not feeling good, more of things not going on well. Oh, you have this problem, let me tell you mine. So keep discussing problems and keep attracting more problems. But nobody wants problems. We don't realize in our unawareness that it is we who are attracting these problems in our lives. We do not know about these. Through our words, you discuss problems, so you attract problems. You don't like to be in somebody's company, but you are constantly thinking about this one person, why you do not like this person, how did this person behave with you, and then the next second, hello, how are you, and again you don't like this. But who attracted this person into your life? You yourself attract. You are always attracting. The law of attraction is going on all the time, whether you realize it or not. So you have to be very careful with everything you are thinking, where you are focusing. Again, if you are focusing on negative qualities of a person, what will happen? Energy will flow. And what will happen? You are going to imbibe those negative qualities in your own personality. Now start appreciating. Look for talent in somebody. Look for good in someone. And those qualities will just percolate in your, in your own personality. You will learn them because they will all be recorded in your subconscious mind. So next time you sit and try to do something, you'll do it in a better way because you have seen somebody else doing it well. So it is all about where you are focusing. Are you appreciating more or are you criticizing more? That is why whenever you see something good, appreciate instead of getting jealous, instead of becoming critical, looking for those aspects which are not good. Don't ever criticize celebrities. You do not know what the other person is going through. Whatever you know and you are seeing from a distance. So don't judge rich or poor. Don't judge anyone. Just give unconditional love. That's it. So you are not taking in any kind of negative energy and you are creating a very beautiful life for you. So remember not to criticize people who are successful, who are doing well. Instead, try to emulate them, try to learn from them. Look at whatever is good around you. So wherever you are focusing on, the energy is flowing from there to you and from you to that place. And there is exchange of this energy. And you see, you are going to absorb some of that energy. Now, if you focus on negatives, what is happening? You are imbibing negative energy. But change this around. If you focus on positive things, positive talents and, everything good in your life. There are so many things that are going on well. Instead of discussing that one issue, that one news, look, this is not going on well. Then the other person will come with similar news. Third person will join in with similar incidents. And then That is not all. You'll go to the past also. You'll open those drawers and take out more incidents from the past. Yes, this also happened. So much of negativity. How will you digest that negativity? Now, this is going to give rise to certain kind of negative emotions. These emotions are going to hamper your health. And then you say, why is it paining here and there? So be very careful of where you put your energy, where you put your attention to. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. Don't try to win every petty dispute. Because every time you enter into an argument, you are entering into a negative energy zone. Instead, choose to meditate and try to arrive at a no thought position. No thoughts are going on. Everything is so good because you choose to focus on what is nice. Life is beautiful when you choose to look at the beauty that life is offering you. Now, from all that beauty, if you choose to focus on that one aspect which is not good, and you keep on contemplating on that negative aspect, you will not feel good. You will attract more of that. And then how can you say life is beautiful? But now start seeing all that is beautiful in your own life, in others' life, in your personality, in others' personality, in this world at large. And things will change for the better. Now this was about where you should not focus on. So where should you focus on? Focus on this present moment. Focus on this now, because you are exuding certain energy and you are creating tomorrow. You are the co-creator with the universe. So your tomorrow, the tomorrow you will see, tomorrow is being created now. Why should you talk about now? This is past energy, what you created yesterday. Think about now. What are you doing now? Try to be more creative, try to be cheerful, try to be nice, kind and compassionate, try to be good, do all the good things, give unconditional love, do something nice and kind for somebody just like that without expecting anything in return. So what you focus on is always growing. Ask yourself, how are you feeling now? Ask yourself, what are you creating now? And ask yourself, where is your energy flowing now? Your energy is at the right place because you are tuned into Inner Universe Community, your own channel. Thank you so much for being here. It is always so beautiful to have all of you here with me. I am Sanchita Pandey, your mentor and spiritual guide, and my message for you is I love you and I wish abundance, peace, goodness, good health, well-being, lot of love in your life. I'm sending you lot of love and blessings from here. Thank you. Namaste.